If you're still cooking on Teflon, here's what's actually happening to your pan. At 500 degrees Fahrenheit, traditional nonstick coatings start breaking down and releasing toxic fumes. Your stove hits that in under 3 minutes on high heat. This is why ceramic cookware has taken over as the go-to non-toxic alternative. And after testing the market, the Carver Pure Ceramic Cookware Set is the best ceramic cookware set you can buy right now. Here's exactly why. The Carver set is a 7-piece ceramic cookware set. You get a fry pan, 10.5 inches, 2.7 quarts, a saucepan, 8 inches, 3 quarts with a matching lid, a sauté pan, 12 inches, 4.5 quarts with a matching lid, a Dutch oven, 10.5 inches, 6.5 quarts with a matching lid. That 10.5-inch lid is designed to fit both the fry pan and the Dutch oven, so you're not storing extra lids you don't need. It also comes with a canvas lid holder and magnetic pan racks, so the whole set stacks and stores without pans scratching each other. Ceramic cookware coatings are made from inorganic, natural materials. Carver's ceramic coating is completely free of PTFE, PFOA, PFAS, lead, and cadmium. PTFE is the compound in Teflon that releases toxic fumes when overheated. PFOA and PFAS are manufactured chemicals linked to cancer and hormone disruption. None of that is present here, and none of it leaches into food, even if the coating gets scratched. That's the core difference between ceramic nonstick and traditional nonstick. One degrades under heat, the other doesn't. The nonstick surface only needs a small amount of oil or butter to cook food without sticking. Heat distributes evenly across the surface, so you don't get hot spots that burn food in one area while undercooking another. It's stovetop agnostic, meaning it works on gas, electric, and induction. Base diameters are 5.5 inches on the saucepan, 6 inches on the fry pan, 6.5 inches on the Dutch oven, and 8 inches on the sauté pan, all sized for induction compatibility. It's also oven safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can go from stovetop to oven in the same pan. Because the ceramic coating is naturally non-stick, cleanup takes a fraction of the time of standard cookware. A gentle scrub is enough in most cases. No soaking, no scraping. One maintenance note. Ceramic retains heat more efficiently than metal-only pans, so cook on low to medium heat rather than high. That protects the coating long-term, and it's really the only adjustment you need to make. Pans use an aluminum core for fast, even heating, wrapped in the ceramic coating, with stainless steel handles for durability. It comes in 4 colors: cream, marigold, sage, and black. So it's not just functional, it matches most kitchen aesthetics. The included canvas lid holder and magnetic rack solve the biggest complaint people have with cookware sets: cabinet clutter. The ceramic line comes with a limited 1-year warranty. Carver backs the set with free shipping, easy returns, and a 30-day trial period. Customer rating sits at 4.8 out of 5, with repeat buyers specifically calling out even heating and easy cleanup as the reasons they upgraded to the full set after trying a single pan. If you're trying to cut PTFE, PFOA, and PFAS out of your kitchen, this set replaces your fry pan, saucepan, sauté pan, and Dutch oven in one purchase. If you already own one non-stick pan and you're deciding whether to buy the full set or piece it together individually, the set is the more cost-effective route since the lids are shared across pans. Compared to PTFE-based non-stick cookware, the difference comes down to 5 things. Is the coating non-toxic? Does food actually release without sticking? Is it easy to clean? Does it conduct heat evenly? And does it perform across every cooktop type? Ceramic wins on all 5 without the health trade-off that comes with Teflon breaking down under heat. That's the full breakdown of the Carver Pure Ceramic Cookware Set. Non-toxic, induction compatible, oven safe to 550 degrees, and backed by a 30-day trial. If you're replacing your cookware this year, this is the set to start with. The link is in the description.